Okay, so today we have the French first class. Today we have first class, right? So
Yes, sir.
we are doing DELF A1 course. DELF A1 course. DELF is Shapipaji. This is something like a diploma in French language. A1 diploma. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
So
ठीक.
in order to moving forward, in French language as in basic, because today is the first class, so first we have a phonetics, because you know what, Shabi Paji, this is basically a
हाँ जी.
phonetics. See, first you have to read the language. For example, Paji, if I ask to you, like, first we have to read the language. So if I ask to you, what is this? Parler, as we are the English guy. Okay, right? So English guy will read parlor,
Yes,
Parler,
sir.
that we got as parlor, because this is in English. In French, the characters is basically as we have the English characters, but we have a different pronunciation, Paji. We have a different pronunciation. So you have to learn the phonetics like er. Er sound is a in French. Speak after me, Paji. Er sound is a in French. If you have a word er in French language, that is not er, that is a. If you have,
Here means A.
yes, er sound is, so today we are doing sounds because we are doing phonetics in French language. So today I will explain to you like how to read the language first. For example, you are a French guy and I am an English guy, okay? And if you want to say, if you will say me, okay, read this word. If I am an English guy, I will read parlor. But you will say, no, this is not a parlor because this is English language. So in French, we have er sound is Paji a. Is that clear to you?
Okay.
So, and a sound is a. You have to write down, Paji. A sound is a. A sound is a. Speak up. A sound is
A sound is A.
a, and ear sound is a. We have a sound. Ear sound is Paji a. Speak up. Ear sound is
Ear
a.
sound is A.
So if there is a word Parler, so this is we called as Paji parlay. This is not a parlor.
Parlay.
This is parlay because ear sound is a. Is that clear to you, Paji?
Sir, whenever there is ER, the
Yeah,
pronunciation will be A.
exactly. Exactmo. Exactly. If you have a ear word in French language, that belongs to a.
A.
Is that clear, Paji?
Yes, sir. I will write down.
Yes, please write down, Paji. So I'm repeating one more time, Paji. You can write it down. I'm repeating one more time. So we are doing phonetics. Okay. In phonetics, Paji, first, because if I want to speak the language and if I don't know the phonetics, for example, you want to speak Punjabi, but you don't know the Punjabi sound, so you cannot speak it out, you cannot read it out. Okay,
Right.
the same thing, we have a phonetics plays a vital role basically. In phonetic plays a vital role if you want to speak the language, you want to read the language. So you have to learn this. Er sound is a in French. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir. Correct.
ठीक है पाजी. For example,
हाँ जी.
पाजी, we have a one word Marcher. We have a word Marcher. ठीक है पाजी. So
Yes,
here,
sir.
here, if I am an English guy, if I don't know French language, I will use marcher, marcher,
Yes.
right, Paji? But no, my ear sound is Paji.
A.
Very good, très bien, très bien. And we have ch, ch, Paji. Ch sound is sh. Yes. CH sound is Paji, sh.
Sure.
Is it clear to you, Paji? So CH
Yes,
sound
sir.
is sh, ER sound is A, and A sound is Paji, ah.
Ah.
Is it clear to you? Don't worry, Paji. You can take the screenshot of this. From your mobile, you
Okay,
can
sir.
take the screenshot of this. Okay. So,
Yes.
and this is a recording session, Paji. Don't worry. This recording will send it to you on the WhatsApp or in the YouTube also. You can see the recording, same recording.
Okay, sir.
So no need to write. If, for example, you're writing, you can write. That's not a problem. But if you want to see the this session again, so you can go on the. I will send the link. I will send you the link. You can click the link,
Okay.
and it will be the same recording. Will be you can listen.
Sir, give me some time. I want to write down now
Sure,
only.
Paji. Sure, no problem. Sure, Paji. You can write
I
it down.
want. I want only 1 minute.
Okay, no problem, Paji. Take your time. So, Paji, we have CH. I'm repeating the session, okay? You can write it down meanwhile, so and you can listen to me also. So, my CH sound is sh, my A sound is a, and my ER sound is A. Is that clear to you, Paji? So, for this reason,
A
Paji,
sound
because
is
ER,
a.
A sound is a, Paji, a. A sound is a, CH sound is sh, sh, and ER sound is A.
Ch sound is
Sh, sh. So I can write down over here also, Paji. CH sound is sh. Is it visible to you, Paji?
Yes, sir. Visible.
Okay. And ER sound is Paji A. And A sound is Paji A. Like we have lot of phonetics. So today we'll do a lot of phonetics. So speak after me, Paji. CH sound is sh.
Sure.
ER sound is A.
A.
And A sound is A.
Ah.
Because the moment we mingle the language, the moment we enroll the language, so first we have to read the language, like how we can read the language. Is it clear, Paji? So,
Yes, sir.
so, what is this, Paji? How we can pronounce this? Marcher. This is marche. Speak up, Paji. Marche. Why marche, Paji? Because A sound is A, CH sound is sh, and ER sound is A. That we called as marche. Is it clear to you, Paji?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Marche.
Yes, Paji. Marche. Speak up. Parle.
Parley.
Marche.
Marche.
Clear, Paji?
Yes, sir.
Did you pen down?
Write down, sir. I have written.
Okay, great. So may I rub this, Paji?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If Paji, I will say, ask japa fasila tablo. If I will say, ask japa fasila tablo, it is just you have to understand the senses. Ask japa fasila tablo, it means I'm saying, may I rub this? Okay? May I rub this? Okay, Paji.
Yes, sir. You can.
Alright. So, Paji, speak after me. I will give you few vocabularies also. Like we have covered Parler. So, what is this, Paji?
Parlor.
Parle, Paji, because ER sound is A.
A.
Right? So, this is parle.
Parley.
Parle is to speak. Parle is to speak. The meaning of parle is to speak.
To speak, that means parley.
Yes, very good. Okay, we have covered next word, Paji, next phonetics, which is Marcher. Marcher. What is this, Paji?
Wait, sir. I will tell.
Okay,
Marche.
very good. Très bien, très bien. Paji, you are very intelligent. Very good. Marcher. Speak up. Marcher. Marcher.
Marche.
Marcher is to walk.
To walk.
Is it clear, Paji?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Paji, you tell me what is this? GAG N-E-R. हाँ.
Wait, sir.
If I am an Englishman, Paji, if I am an Englishman, I will use this is Gagner. If I'm Englishman, I will speak Gagner. So no, because in French we have a sounds, phonetics. Paji, ER sound is
Gagne.
na, Paji. GN sound is near. Speak up, near. GN sound is near. Half
Near.
yes, half na or year. GN sound is near. Speak up. I can write it down.
Sir, both. Sir, G and both.
Yeah. GN, yes, both. GN sound. That GN sound is Paji near.
Near.
Like this. Near. GN sound is near, Paji. We have half
Near.
na or year. Is it clear to you, Paji?
Yes, sir.
So A sound is Paji A.
Uh,
A sound is A.
yes, sir.
So how we can pronounce this? Gaine. Gagne. Speak up. Gagne.
Garnier.
Gagne is to when. Gaine बोलते हैं. Basically we can pronounce like gaine. Speak up, Paji. Gaine. Speak up. Yes, speak up. Gaine. Gaine is to when. Gaine is to win. See, it is just today is the first day. I am trying you to read the first, like how we can read the sentence, how we can read the words in French language. So you have to understand this. GN sound is near, so that is gaine. Speak up, Aji. Gaine.
Gaine.
Very good. Speak up. Gaine.
Gaine.
Gaine is to win or gaine is to earn also. We use the vocabulary in earn also, Paji. So gaine is to win and gaine is to earn also. So speak after me, Paji. Parley. Speak up. Parley.
Parley.
Parley is to speak. Speak up, Paji. Parley is to speak.
Parley is to speak.
Marcher is to walk.
Marcher is to walk.
Gaine is to win.
Gaine is to win.
Gaine. Speak up. Gaine.
Gaine.
Gaine is to win, is to earn. Is that clear to you, Paji?
Gaine.
Is that clear, Paji?
It's end with A.
Yes, because ear sound is A, Paji, so gaine. Because we have ear sound is A in French, so gaine. Is that clear, Paji?
Yes, sir.
Don't worry, Paji, because this is very first class. In the first class, when we were doing the French language, we also faced a problem, right? So today the first class, so it will become by practice. Don't worry, okay? We'll repeat the session. I will send you the link. You can repeat the link and you can watch the link. For example, I will send the same link, and you can re-watch the link, the same session link 5 or 6 times, so you will understand the concept. Is it clear, Paji?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the next we have is Paji. Tell me. This is CUISINER. CUI. Wait, tell me, Paji, what is this? Now
Sir.
you have to understand first. Ear sound is A. Okay.
Yes.
I sound is E in French. I is E.
E.
I sound is E in French and UI sound is V in French. I'm repeating one more time, Paji. We have a word like this. Okay. So, Paji, ear sound is
A.
I sound is E. I sound is E.
E.
E. Okay. UI sound is Paji V in French. UI sound is V. Yes. UI sound is V in French. Is it clear to you? So what is this, Paji? Qui. Speak up. Look at the whiteboard. Qui. Speak up. Qui.
We.
Z.
Sir, after we, what did you?
That is sir. S. S.
Yes.
Okay. So qui Z. Qui. Paji, you can read Hindi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me write it down in Hindi also.
We.
So here we have qui because UI sound is V, Paji.
Yes, sir.
Qui. Okay. SI sound Z. Cuisine.
So SI sound what?
S is Paji Z. Sir. Cuisine. Okay. S is sir. Sir sound, Paji.
S is sir.
And I sound is E. I sound is Paji E.
E.
N is N only. Okay. ER sound is A. N is N only.
Yes, sir.
So now how we can pronounce this? Cuisine.
Cuisine.
Okay. Okay. Let's repeat this. For example, this is a word. You can make the pronunciation. Like UI sound is V. UI sound is V.
UI sound V.
I sound is E.
E. E.
ER sound is A.
A.
So what is this, Paji? Cuisine.
Cuisine.
It is clear, Paji.
Yes, sir.
It is just we have to understand the concept first. If we have a concept, then I can read and I can speak the language. If I don't have concept, Paji, I cannot speak and I cannot read it out. Right? So that is cuisine. Cuisine is to cook, Paji. Cuisine is to cook.
Cook.
Is that clear, Paji?
Yes, sir.
Pen down, please. I hope, Paji, you understand the language, like the delivery I'm giving to you. It is understandable?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm understanding.
Okay. So parley is to speak. Pen down, please, Paji. Parley is to speak. Speak after me. Parley is to speak.
Parley is to speak.
Marche is to walk.
Marche is to walk.
Gaine is to win.
Dining is to win.
And cuisine is to cook.
Cuisine is to cook.
Is that clear, Paji?
Yes, sir.
Have you penned down this?
No, sir.
Okay, pen down, please. And Paji, if you're facing problem, feel free to speak with me because we are doing
Yes, sir.
one-on-one session, Paji. Okay, so
Yes,
you are my
yes, sir.
brother, so speak like anything if you face a problem, right?
Yes, sir. I will ask. I will ask.
Yes. Vous êtes mon frère. Frère is brother, Paji. So I'm
Frère?
saying frère. I will explain to you. It is just I am trying to speak something in French language so that you will come to know. Okay, a few words will come in your mind, fix in your mind. Okay, so let's read this. Parler, marcher, gagner, cuisiner. Speak up, Paji. Parler, marcher, gagner.
Parler, dîner, cuisiner.
Very good, Paji. Very good. Très bien. Vous êtes très intelligent. You are very intelligent, Paji.
Thank you.
Pen down, please.
Sir, just 1 minute, please.
No problem. So here we are doing the phonetics today. Phonetics in French language.
Phonetics.
Phonetics in French language. So parler is to speak, marcher is to walk, gagner is to win, is to earn, cuisiner is to cook.
U and I mean V.
Yes, UI sound is V, Paji. UI sound is V.
I sound E.
Exactly, exactement, Paji. I sound is E.
and ear sounds A.
Very good. Très bien. Ear sound is A. Exactement.
Cuisine.
Cuisine. Exactly. Cuisine. Because we have S also,
Cuisine.
so cuisine. Is it clear, Paji?
Yes, sir.
Cuisine. Cuisine is to cook. So today you will come to know a lot of verbs like we are doing in Kriyaएं in Hindi. Okay? So you will come to
Yes.
know a lot of verbs, Baji, today. Like parler is to speak, marche is to walk, gaine is to win, cuisine is to cook. Is that clear, Baji?
Yes, sir.
Clear? May I
Yes,
rub this,
sir.
Baji? May I rub this?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So you are explaining so good.
Thank you, Baji. Thank you.
I have understand just in one time.
Yes, very good, Baji. Because you are intelligent also, Baji. Okay,
Thank you,
Paji.
sir.
Okay. So we have a next verb, Paji. Like because I'm trying to explain the phonetics, like how you can read this. So we have a one verb. Boire. If I am an Englishman, Paji, if I am not a Frenchman and I don't know French, for example, so I will read like boire, boirie
Boiri.
in English because I don't know like what is this. Paji, you have to
Yes.
understand the phonetics first. My OI sound is va.
Wow.
OI sound is va, Paji.
Wow.
OI sound is va.
Wow.
Is it clear, Paji?
Yes, sir.
In French, Paji, speak after me. A sound is ah. Speak up, Paji. A sound is ah.
A sound is A.
My I sound is E. I sound is E.
E.
Pen down, please, Paji. Pen down, please. E sound is Paji, you have to understand these concepts. This is the major concept in French language. These are phonetics. So speak after me. A sound is A.
A sound is A.
I sound is E.
I sound is E.
And E sound is A.
E sound is A.
E sound is not E in French. E sound is A.
A.
Is that clear, Paji?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear, Paji?
Yes, sir.
So here we have E sound, that is A.
A.
That is A, Paji. Clear? So if I want to read this, so that is B. B is B, Paji. B.
Yes, sir.
OI sound is Va.
Va.
So bois. Is it clear, Paji? Hindi is clear to
Yes.
you? Bois.
Yes, sir.
R is R and E is A. So R. A. Boire.
Babar.
Boire. Speak up. Boire. Boire.
Babar.
Boire is to drink, Paji.
To drink.
Or you can say like this, half B you can use over here, half B. Boire. Boire is to drink, Paji.
Babar.
Is it clear to you? So Paji, speak after me one more time. OI sound is Va. Speak up. OI sound is Va.
Va.
Okay. E sound is A.
A.
OI sound is Va. E sound is A. And A sound is, Paji, what? Tell me what is the A sound? A sound is A. A. E sound is A. A sound is A. UI sound, Paji, tell me what is the UI sound?
Your sound V.
Very good. Très bien. Très bien. UI sound is V and I sound is E and ER sound is, Paji, tell me what is ER sound?
A.
Very good. Vous êtes très intelligent, monsieur. You are very intelligent, mister. Very good. So here we have OI sound is Va. Speak up. OI sound is Va.
OI sound is Va.
E sound is A.
E E sound is a.
A sound is A.
A sound is a.
I sound is E.
I sound is E.
UI sound is V.
UI sound is V.
And ER sound is A.
ER sound is A.
Is that clear to you, Paji?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear to you? Pen down, please.
Yes.
We can take the session on Skype, and we can take the session on WhatsApp video call also. That's not a problem. That's your wish. I think that WhatsApp video call is also visible to you.
Yes, sir.
But I think in WhatsApp video call you have to go on the flight mode.
But sir, Skype will be the best.
Yes, Skype would be the best. No problem. We'll do the Skype from tomorrow onwards. That's not a problem.
Yes. Sir, after A, that is E.
Yes, after A we have I in English. That sound is E.
E.
E. Because I sound is E, UI sound is V, and ER sound is A.
Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir, written.
Okay,
I have written.
right. So may I rub this?
Yes, sir.
S जब आप फासिला ताब लो, you can say V. V is yes basically. V. Rather saying yes now, you will say V. Rather saying yes,
V.
V. We can pronounce like V. V is to yes. So basically O-U-I we pronounce as in V. Is that clear? We write down O-U-I, but O-U-I we pronounce as in simple V. Because UI sound is V, we cannot say OV, we can say V. V is yes in French language. So if I will say, may I rub this? So you will say V.
V.
Is that clear, Paji?
V.
Okay.
V.
Very good. Très bien. Okay, Paji. So we have a next verb. For example, we have a word M-A-N-G-E-R. So you tell me what? Like if I'm an English man, I will use manger.
Manger.
No, because that's not a manger, because that's not an English language, that's a French language. Yeah? So, ear sound is
A.
and an. Here an also. An sound is Paji on.
A. O.
An sound. That an sound Paji, an sound. An sound is on. On in French language. We can write like on. On. Speak up. On. Yes. So an sound is on. Speak up. On. Paji ye wala on. On. Like we have this. On. Is that clear? Is that clear? I hope you can,
Yes.
because you are Punjabi, so maybe I'm not aware of the Punjabi. Like Punjabis can read Hindi also, I think. You can read Paji Hindi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So an sound is on. Right, Paji? So here we have a word M-A-N-G-E-R. So here an sound is on. Ear sound is.
A.
So here we have manger.
Manger.
Write like this. Manger.
Yes.
Manger.
Manger.
We can write like this. Paji, manger. So manger is to eat.
To eat.
Is that clear, Paji? Manger. Why? Because we are doing Paji phonetics. We are doing the sounds in French language. So if I want to speak and read French, so we have to have these phonetics in place. Is that clear to you? So we have an sound is on, er sound is a. So we have manger. Manger is to eat. Manger is to Eat, Paji. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So, Paji, today you came to know a lot of things,
Yes, sir. Right.
right? So, may I pen down, please, Paji? Pen down, please. And Paji, if you feel like session is if you're looking like session is going to be heavy, you want to stop the session, you can stop this. That's not a problem. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Pen down, please, Paji.
Monje.
Monje
Monje
is to eat. Speak up. Monje. Yes.
Monje is to eat.
Very
And
good.
it pronounce an pronounces o.
Very good.
Ear pronounce a.
Very good. Try bien.
That's monje.
Very good. Monje. So monje is to eat.
Is to eat.
Is that clear, Paji?
Yes, sir.
May I rub this? May I rub this,
Yes,
Paji?
sir.
Alright. Rub this?
We.
Oh, that's
Oui.
great. That's great. Oui. Muy. Très bien. Très bien. Okay.
Sir, but should we say thanks in this language, French language?
Merci.
Thanks.
Speak up. Merci beaucoup. Speak up, Paji. Merci. Merci is thank you. Speak up. Merci.
Merci.
Merci is
Merci.
yes. Merci. Merci is thank you. Merci. Is it clear, Paji? Speak up. Merci.
Merci.
Merci is thank you.
Thank you.
Is that clear, Paji? So, Paji, let's repeat the session one more time. Speak up. What is this? You have to tell to me like how we can pronounce this. I'm writing and you have to pronounce. Let's recall the chapter like which we have done. Tell me what is this, Paji? Tell me, Paji, what is this? Tell me what is this?
Sir, A sounds a
A sound is A.
and ear sound is a. Parley.
Very good. Parley. Parley is to speak.
To speak.
Very good. And tell me what is this, Paji? How we can read this?
Let me try, sir.
No problem, Paji.
Where they are. A means marche.
Very good. Marche. She. Because CH sound is sh.
Sure, marche.
Very good. Très bien. Marche is to walk. Marche is to walk. Here we have CH sound is sh sound. Is that clear to you?
Sure.
Okay. So tell me the next, Paji, next word. Read the next word.
Let me try, sir.
Okay.
Sir, UI means we.
Very good. Très bien. Très bien.
And I means E.
Very good. Très bien. Okay.
ER is A.
Très bien. Très bien. Okay. So come on. So let's start with this. How we can read this? Cuisine. Because we have SI also. So cuisine.
SI means E.
No, Paji. S is simple sir, na? S
S is
simple sir. So cuisine.
Cuisine.
Very good. Cuisine. Cuisine. Cuisine is to cook. Cuisine is to cook. Is that clear, Paji?
And the last one is Gaine.
Very good. Très bien. Très bien. Very good. So gaine is to win and to earn. Is that clear, Paji?
Yes, sir.
May I rub this?
We.
Okay. Very good. Très bien. Okay. We have a next word, Paji. The next word is CO. tell me, Paji, what is this? See, here we have en sound. One thing you have to understand, Paji. One thing you have to understand. Let's go back with the previous things. Like an sound is on. Paji, we have done an sound is on.
Yes, sir.
And en sound is also on.
E-N-A-N.
Ha, exactly. So this is one and the same sound. If you have an sound or en sound, that sound is, Paji? Oh, very good. Très bien. So an sound and en sound is on. Is it clear to you? On.
Yes, sir.
So here we have on sound because we have en or an, that is on sound. Er sound is a, Paji.
Yes, sir.
So tell me, this is commencer. Commencer. You can read this like how it is commencer. Read this, Paji.
Okay.
We have co, o sound is o, commencer. How commencer? Because see, o sound is o, m sound is ma only, m and I will tell the alphabets also. Okay, it's very simple. M sound is ma only, en sound is on. So comment, Paji, comment.
Commencer.
Very good. Commencer. Commencer is to start, Paji. Is to start. To begin. To begin. Okay? Commencer is to start and to begin. Is it clear to you, Paji?
Yes, sir.
So whenever you are starting something, you want to go for a beginners, like beginner. So that is we called as we have a verb of begin, and to start is commencer. Speak up, Paji. Commencer. How it is commencer, Paji? Yes. How it is commencer, Paji? Because we have en sound is on. So here we have en sound. En sound is on. Is that clear to you?
Commencer.
Exactly. Is that clear to you, Paji?
Yes, sir.
Commencer is to start. So, Paji, today you came to know, like you will get lot of vocabularies in your mind, right? So,
Yes.
because if we have a see, what is the language? You tell me, what is the language? If you know the vocabulary, and if you know the phonetics, like how you can read this is what a language. Is it clear? For example, Paji, I want to speak in Punjabi, and I don't know how to start with this because I don't know the vocabulary, I don't know the sounds. Is that clear to you?
Right, sir.
Right? So, commencer is to say for any language we have to have first sounds and we have a vocab portion. Is that clear, Paji?
Yes.
Then we have a sentence making also. Slowly and gradually we'll do the sentence making also. But first we'll wrap up, we'll cover up the phonetics and these things. Okay. So tell me, Paji, what is this? ALLER. How we can read this?
Alive.
Very good. But it's not alive, but you tried, it's very good because it's the very first day and you came to know. Very good. Paji, A sound is A. Ear sound is A.
E.
L is L only. L. Okay, that is Ale. Ale is to go.
Ale.
Yes, Ale is simple, Paji, because L is L only. L is
Because A sound is
very good. A sound is A. Ear sound is A. And L is N only. So Ale. Ale is to go.
Ale. Sir, please ask me one more.
Yeah, sure. I will ask one more. For example, we have okay, we have one more word, which is Jouer. Paji, one thing you have to understand, OU sound is OU in French. OU sound is
Oh, ooh,
OU. And ear sound is A.
A.
That is Jouer. Simple. Because OU sound is OU.
Joe.
OU sound is OU. Ear sound is A. Jouer. Jouer is to play. पंजाबी च आपां कहंदे खेडना.
That is right.
ठीक है भाजी. So jouer is to play. Why jouer? Why? Because OU sound is OU, ear sound is A. Jouer is to play. Is that clear, Paji?
Sir, but it starts with J.
हाँ,
Jouer.
J, because J is jouer. Basically J sound is G, but I will explain to you when we do alphabet. I will explain to you. That is jouer. Simple.
J sound. Sir, J sound.
J is G. J sound basically J sound, because J. अच्छा, for example, we have JUG. So what do you say? Jug.
Yes, sir, Jug.
So same is here. Same here also. Jouer. But here we have OU sound is OU. OU sound is OU. So for this reason, J is converted into Jouer. Jouer is to play.
Jouer.
Is that clear, Paji?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay. Rub कर दूं भाई?
Wait, sir.
Okay. So we are doing the phonetics. Commence, ale, jouer. AN sound is on. EN sound is
Sir,
on.
sir, how will say wait?
Atonde. Atonde. I will tell you. Atonde. Atonde. Basically, I will tell the word. May I rub this?
Yes, sir, I have written.
Okay. So I will tell you what is weight. Basically, weight is, we have a verb, Paji, atondre. We have a verb of weight, which is, Paji, ATTENDRE. So here we have EN. Here, Paji, EN.
Ian.
Okay, now is fine. So, Paji, EN sound is what? You tell me. EN sound is what?
Ian. Ian sound is O.
Very good. EN sound is on. And tell me, A sound is what?
A.
A. A sound is
A.
A. And E sound is what? Tell me, E sound is what?
E sound means A.
A. E sound is A. Clear, Paji? So, how we can pronounce this? A is A tondre. Why? Because, Paji, my A sound is A, T is te, okay? En is on, ton, D is the R is same R sound. E is a. So attendre. Speak up, Paji. Attendre.
Attendre.
Attendre is to wait. Is that clear, Paji?
Yes, sir.
Attendre is to wait.
Attendre.
Yes. Attendre is to wait.
Wait.
Is that clear, Paji?
Yes, sir.
Tell me any of the word which any verb. Tell me which you use on daily basis. Tell me any verb like which you
How
do.
are you?
Hmm.
How are you?
Okay, that's a sentence. Okay, how are you? How are you? Simple, Paji. How are you? If you're saying how are you, I will tell you these phrases also. How are you is Paji. We have a lot of things. For example, in Punjabi also. Paji ki hal chal kidda aur batao ki chalda pe. We have a lot of things in terms of how are you. So in French also. So I will tell you. So it is just you have to understand. I will tell you like how we can make this. How are you? So my first is speak up. Comment vas-tu? Speak up, Paji. Comment?
Coma.
Comment? Comment
Como.
vas-tu? Speak up,
What
Aji.
you?
Comment vas-tu? Speak up.
Como what you?
Speak up. Comment vas-tu? Speak up, Aji. Comment vas-tu?
Como what you?
Speak up, Aji. Comment vas-tu?
Como what you?
Speak up. Comment ça va? Speak up. Comment ça va?
Como se va?
Speak up. In Punjabi also, Paji ki halchal kidda और सब वधिया और सही चलता पे. We have thousands of ways I can speak. How are you? In French also, I will explain to you, Paji, what is this. Like how we are como what you, why, what is tu va, what is tu va over here. It is just you have to understand first, like you have to speak after me. I will let you know the formation of this, the formula of this. Okay, so speak after me. Como what you, speak up. Como what you,
Como what you?
como ça va,
Como se va?
speak up. Como allez-vous, speak up, Aji. Como
Como
allez-vous, speak up.
como talez-vous?
Speak up. Como allez-vous, speak up, Aji. Como allez-vous,
Como talez-vous?
speak up. Como allez-vous,
Como talez-vous?
speak after me. Como allez-vous,
Como talez-vous?
now speak after me. Como vas-tu, speak up. Como vas-tu,
Como vas-tu?
como ça va,
Como se va?
como allez-vous.
Como talez-vous?
Okay, so we have a proper Paji chapter of Como allez-vous. A proper chapter we have, which I will let you know tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Like why, what is Como, what is Ale, what is Vous. Why we have Como allez-vous, why we have Como vas-tu, why we have Como ça va. So we have a complete chapter for this. So that you will come to know ki what is Ale, what is Vous, what is ça va, what is vas-tu. Is it clear to you, Paji? So it is just like you ask, like what is how are you? So which is como vas-tu, como ça va, como allez-vous. Is it clear, Paji?
Yes, sir.
So we have a complete chapter for this, wherein you will come to know like how we can make these sentences. Is it clear, Paji?
Yes, sir.
Can we repeat one more time? May I rub this, Paji?
Yes, sir.
May I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have one more question.
Mm-hmm.
How will pronounce no?
No is no. No only, Paji. No.
No.
No is no. N-O-N. No. Or either you can say pa. Pa is also not, Paji. Pa.
N-O. No.
N-O no. You can say like this. No pa. No pa. Or either you can say like pa. Or either you can say
Pass.
like. No, that's not pass. That is pa only. I will tell you why pass. Okay? That is pa only. Or either you can say like pa. Pa.
Pa.
No pa is used whenever we have a verb in the between. So I will let you know entire thing. That is you can say pa. Pa is not. No. Or either you can say like no only. No. N-O-N. No only. Is that clear, Paji?
Yes, sir.
Don't worry because that's the very first class. It is just first I want to explain you like what is the French language, like what are phonetics. So we'll come to know like what is all these things. Right, Paji? So
Yes.
let's repeat the chapter again. Paji, you have to you have to read this. What is this, Paji?
Cuisine.
Very good. Cuisine. What is this, Paji? Very good, Paji. What is this, Paji?
Manger.
No. That's in English.
Wait. So,
AN sound is, Paji.
AN means, sir,
Very good. Or ear sound is
A.
monje.
Monje.
Right? Monje is to eat. Okay, what is this, Paji? OU sound is OU sound is
I think I have not written.
no problem, Paji, no problem. I will send you the link. You can rewatch.
You mean
Ooh.
oh.
That's not a problem. See, what you can do is in the next 5 and 10 minutes time, I will send you the link of this session.
Okay, sir.
You can click on the link, okay, and the same whole session you can rewatch. What you can do is
This means Joe.
Jue, very good, Paji, very good. You are very, very intelligent, Paji. Jue is to play. I believe you will get up in the language, in the French language. You will reach at the top of the level very soon. Very good. Jue is to play. ठीक है, Paji? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So now, what I can do is right now, I will not go now. I cannot stretch the session because that should not be heavy for you because that's a very first class. Okay. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to share a link, this session link.
Right, sir.
What you have to do is you can open the link and you can pause, like you can rewatch the link for 5 minutes, then pause, then pen down. Again you can move forward for 5 minutes. Again you can move forward for 5 minutes. Again you can move forward for 5 minutes. So that it will be in your knowledge, like how to say cuisine, how to say parley. Is it clear to you, Paji?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you? So now,
Yes, sir.
okay, so this is the concept which we have done for phonetics. Okay, tomorrow I will tell you, like for example, if you're meeting first time with the people, okay, for example, if you're meeting first time with the people, how you can say how are you, como allez-vous, como ça va bien, très bien, je vais bien, je m'apporte bien. So how you can reply in sense of I am fine, how you can reply in sense of I am good, how you can reply if you ask the people, hi, how are you, or किदा की हालचाल, मैं तो ठीक, I am good. So how we can say these things in French language. Okay, so tomorrow I will let you know, guys, like what is the basic conversation of French language. Is that clear?